this £2 coin or this £2 coin? Which one are you picking? I sincerely hope you pick the first one because this one is made of gold and this is just your regular £2 coin. I bought this coin in 2020 for £716.70. And today, if you go on the Royal Mint website, you will see that that same coin is now worth £1,233.36. So from 716.70, it's now worth 1250. So nice healthy £534 profit. Now, if I had this £2 from 2020, I'd only be able to buy £1.57 worth of items compared to the £2 spending power in 2020. That means I've actually lost money by holding this £2. And that's the difference between investing in gold and holding cash.